Doug here. So I got the power connector hooked back up. You'll look at their zip ties here. These are my high voltage insulating tie downs between the two because of the high voltage system, and I have some micarta inside as an insulator. The wires pass through, go up into the inside, and the high current wires are currently going to a little chunk of solid tungsten in there out of a light bulb. So what's going to happen? Well, we're going to use this power supply here. So first thing I'm going to do is turn off the lab lights. I'm going to kick on that power supply. And I'm going to slowly start increasing the current to that filament in there. There we go. It's glowing. So we now have the world's most complicated light bulb running at the moment, but I got that tungsten running at an incandescent temperature inside a vacuum, which is keeping it from oxidizing and burning out. So it's things like this that I'm getting excited about, because in the future I could do something called vacuum metallizing. What is that, you may ask? Well, let me see if I could turn this up a little bit. This is a little chunk of filament, so it may not get too bright. Vacuum metallizing means I can buy a large chunk of tungsten to put in here. And thanks to the awesome donations you guys have made to the lab, I can now purchase things like that to continue my experiments. So I'm going to be getting a large chunk of tungsten to put under a base material. When that tungsten heats up, it will cause a bombard that base material to shoot off atoms that will deposit on the nearest material, or it will vacuum coat it, or I'm sorry, it will metal coat it in a vacuum. So hence the term vacuum metallizing. So I can actually metal coat plastic items or things that normally wouldn't be able to electroplate, which is really exciting. So proof of concept, small little filament out of a light bulb. I now have made the world's most complicated light bulb setup running now, but proof of concept. So I want to thank generous supporters, people like you who make these experiments possible. So thank you very much, and Happy New Year to everyone.